This is our video tutorial for the belt loop folder C30. You can also create ribbons to decorate your garment or any project. The three sizes of the belt loop folder C30 are individually available. The finished belt loops are 10, 15 or 20 mm wide, or in inches 3/8, 5/8 or 7/8 of an inch. Cut fabric strips in width of 20, 30 or 40 mm. In inches, this is 7/8, 1¼ or 1/5/8 of an inch. Finished width and cutting width in millimeters are engraved on the attachments. The belt loop folder folds the fabric edges under, with the long edges meeting in the center on the back of the belt loop. To attach the belt loop folder onto the machine, use the accessories holder, which is available separately. We recommend to use the clear cover chain stitch foot C28. For more tips on the practical and decorative use of the C28 is a separate video tutorial available. Further ideal feet are C13 and C27. Also compatible foot is C11. Belt loop folder and accessories holder are also compatible with BERNINA Coverstitch machines. On BERNINA, the standard presser feet or the clear sole are ideal. This video shows the use with the 15-30 mm belt loop folder. The procedure is the same for all sizes. For sewing belt loops, the 4-thread cover stitch or the wide 3-thread cover stitch can be used. Our example shows the 3-thread cover stitch. Attach the belt loop folder to the connecting piece of the accessories holder. Attach the accessories holder to the cover stitch insert. Loosen the locking screw on the swivel arm and push the belt loop folder towards the foot, so that it can be positioned in front of the tip of the presser foot. Tighten the screw. Loosen the screw of the connecting piece and align the belt loop folder as far to the left as needed to have it centered in front of the cover stitch needles. Tighten the screw. The belt loop folder and the presser foot are close, but do not touch. Our tip: for threading or opening the covers, swing the belt loop folder out. Suitable are straight cut strips of light to medium weight fabrics that glide through the folder without resistance. Cut the fabric strip with the grain at the suitable width, here 30 mm or 1¼ inch, and cut a point at one end. Feed the fabric strip into the folder with the right side up. The left and right edges will fold under as the strip feeds through the folder. Place the strip under the presser foot and lower the foot. Sew a few inches. Then check if the stitching covers both fabric edges on the underside. Adjust the position of the folder if required. Our tip: for minimal adjustments to the right, the cover stitch insert can be moved using the cutting width dial. While sewing, make sure the tape is unobstructed as it feeds through the belt loop folder. Our tip: if the fabric edges on the lower side don't meet, cut the strip slightly wider. The belt loop folder C30 makes it quick and easy to sew lengths of belt loops that can be trimmed to the desired size. These tapes can also be sewn on decoratively or used for fabric weaving. For even more decorative applications, ribbons, elastic bands, stabilizer or batting can be guided under the fabric strip as it feeds through the folder. Our tip: when making web row strips, cut materials that will be wrapped 2 mm narrower for smooth feeding in the folder. And cut the fabric strip slightly wider to fold easily around the insert and to accommodate for the extra thickness. Here the difference is easy to see. The finished belt loops can be used as soft belts and straps for garments, bags and other home dec projects. Our tip: when sewing in elastic, increase the stitch length up to maximum to compensate for stretching the elastic band while sewing. With the belt loop folder C30, you can sew belt loops in 3 sizes for your individual creations. There are no limits to your imagination.
BERNINA, made to create.